First select the pen tool, make sure the shape is selected, fill will be transparent and stroke color will be white and the thickness of the stroke will be 40 pixels. Let's draw the shape. Go to the layers, right click on the shape and go to the blending options. Click on the outer glow, opacity will be 100, I selected red solid color, spread will be 20%, size will be 92 and range will be 36. Then click on OK, then go to the layers, select the image, go to the adjustment layer, click on hue and saturation, click on the colorize, drag it to the red, then again go to the layers, right click on the hue and saturation, go to the blending options, press Alt and drag the dark area a little bit, press OK, then select the shape, create a layer mask, now select the brush and apply it here.